So hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel .dwg Design with Ganesh. In this video, let's try to make this sheet metal part in Creo software. So without wasting time, let's start it. So go to software, want to create a new part, click on the new sheet metal, uncheck this option and give a name. I'm giving this 5, click on enter. Now we choose the dimensions, click on OK. So now we are in the sheet metal design workbench. So now let's make a one base sheet on the top plane. So with the center rectangle and give the dimension as 300 by 300. So 300 by 300. Now we add a fillet here at every corner. So this line and this line, and make sure the fillets having the same values. Right, now the fillet radius is about 50. So now everything is okay means, so here you can see the dimensions are becoming weak dimensions. Click on the D from your keyboard, select this line, and click on the mid mouse button to place the dimension. Edit the value as 300 and do for these two also. From here to here it is also 300 and click on OK. Now you can see it is adding the material. Give the thickness as 2.5, enter. See, now in order to make this suppression, I'm using this sketched punch. Click on this face to make that sketch. I'm using the offset command and choosing this edge, and from here you can choose this rule based tangent. So the sketch is going outwards, I want to make it inwards. Just put a minus symbol before the value, so the sketch will come to inner side. Click on OK. Now click on OK again. OK again. So see, the punch is applying, but somewhat it is coming upwards. I want suppress on downwards, so change the direction from here and give length as 33, enter. Now you can see the walls are not straight walls. That means that are not vertical walls. They have a somewhat of taperness. In order to give the taperness, click on the option. And what is the taper? You can consider it as a 10, enter. So see. Now coming to the edges. So these are not sharp edges. Click on just tick this placement edge option. Here you can see you can give the radius for removing the sharp edges. So click on the outside, because we have the dimension in the drawing it is given outside dimension only, that's why you given. So for the non-placement also we have to give 10, not for inside but for outside. See, everything is okay. So the next thing is these edges. So click on the engineering round, select this edge and this edge. Press and hold the control button to make the two selection. Make sure the radius is only 1. See, it is okay. Now go back to isometric again, and from here you have to select this, you have to form this pattern. So how can you do that? Click on the extruder cut, select this plane. So the dimensions are not given that pattern, so you have to find out by yourself. Click on the isometric again. You have to add a 3 like this. Go back to normal view. Now it is required to give the dimensions. So the whole diameter is about 17. That is completely fine. Now click on the D key from your keyboard. Select this from this, which is about 15, and from the center line to this center point, which is about 15. Constrain every single circle like this, and make sure they are in the 30 gap between them. 30, enter. Do on that side also. 30, enter. 30, enter. Everything is okay. Click on OK. Since you are using the extrude cut, it is automatically cutting the portions, so that is okay. Now let's use this. I want to use this extrude as a pattern, so click on the pattern. So here, from here I am giving the direction as this reference on the opposite direction, and I want 4 members at a distance of 30 between each other. See, and then I want to you can use the pattern again, so you can use this as for pattern. Engineering, no, editing, pattern, or else you can use this edit option from here, and here the direction tool, also you can choose another direction on reverse direction, on reverse one. So 4, enter. Control Z. I want this extruder cut to be a pattern with respect to not axis, with respect to direction. First direction is this, and right, I want the 4 members on this direction at a distance of 30 between them. That's fine. And for the second reference, I'm choosing again the same entity this time. So 4 I want, and at a distance of 30 between them. Click on enter. So that's it. See, so that is about for this video, guys. So if you want a drawing files of this one, so the drawing files will be uploaded in my Telegram channel, in my Instagram channel. So if you want the drawing files, means you can follow me on Instagram. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe to my channel.